Welcome back to an unexpected day 4 of me building an app in 3 days. The fact that this video exists shows that things didn't go as planned. My app was rejected yesterday and last night I was able to fix the issue and then send a new build to Apple. But a couple of hours later I got the second rejection. And this time the reason for the rejection is that the library I'm using for the global shortcuts seems to have a small bug. I'll show you that in a second. But it's not my code and that means I can't change things easily. This is the issue the review team complained about. In the preferences you can record a new shortcut, something like Command D, and if you execute the shortcut it opens the new timer window, so that's alright. However, you can record something like Shift X. It accepts that shortcut, but triggering it, I'm doing it right now, leads to no action. And that's the reason why they rejected my app. I have informed the author of the package last night about the issue. I've also wrote a message to the reviewer at Apple and asked if a small label informing that shortcuts with just Shift as the modifier aren't supported would make my app pass the review process. That would be the easiest fix until the issue in the framework is solved, and right now I'm waiting for a reply from Apple. It's just super weird that I got this rejection, because I already have a second app, Glance Call, on the Mac App Store that is using the exact same library and therefore also has this bug and it passed the review. That means it looks like I was just in bad luck and that the reviewer randomly chose exactly that keyboard shortcut that was not working and therefore thought that the whole thing wasn't working. So I hope that the message I wrote last night to the App Store review team can convince them to let it pass the review. And all of that is just part of the app development process. Dealing with things that are not working as expected, bugs, App Store rejections, coding is problem solving and you just have to keep going. A little bit off topic, but I also was in a local grocery store and they actually had analog film stock. I just had to get a roll for my old analog camera and yeah, maybe I'll use the spare time and go shoot a bit outside. After taking some nice shots outside, I've just come back to my apartment and in the meantime I've received a mail from Apple. They say that my proposed solution of adding a label in the settings view is acceptable. That means I will now implement that, it won't take long, and then update the next build to App Store Connect. Hopefully that's the one they will be accepting. Alright, about 15 minutes ago the status of the app again changed to in review. And right now I have received the message that the app is now finally approved by Apple. Honestly guys, I can't tell you how happy I am about that right now. It took a day longer than planned, but I'm just super excited about what I was able to create in that short amount of time and that the app is now finally ready for sale. This whole project, including filming everything, was a ton of work, so if you liked what I did, consider supporting me and purchasing the app. I will release it together with this video, so when you're watching this, the app is available on the Mac App Store. For the first 7 days I'll put it out there at a reduced price tag, so take a chance, get it now, link in the video description. Great, hope you liked that video and you have gained a little insight into what making an app looks like. Let me know in the comments what you think of this project and if you'd even like to see more stuff like this. Have a nice day and goodbye.